Hello, my name is MAYLA MERHAI, and I hope to show you why you should vote me for your FBLA Vice President. A few things I'm going to go over: my past experiences, my leadership skills, my interest in business, my plans for the future of this club, and having fun in this club. I've participated in both FBLA and DECA in middle school, and I'm currently an officer of Model UN and Beta Club. I can use these experiences to help members succeed in FBLA competitive events and providing opportunities for FBLA members. I can create leadership, teamwork, and business lessons and emphasize the importance of public speaking skills. I will be a good leader for this club because I have shown my leadership in many different clubs, including Model UN as an officer, as a summer swim team coach, as at Weatherstone, and as a secretary of Beta Club. Being vice president will take a lot of leadership skills, including teamwork, motivation, communication especially, and responsibility. I've always been interested in business. Business is everywhere, and I've always been drawn to the field. You don't only have to be an entrepreneur to be in the field, and I hope that I'll be able to help club members explore more pathways in business. As vice president, I hope to spread my passion and provide information of all business and marketing fields. Some of these fields could be financial analysis, business reporter, accountant, shown on this side. A future for this club. One of the things I really want to help bring to this club is FBLA competitions. Some of these competitions can include marketing competitions, business management, economics, public speaking, and much more for any pathway that you'd like. The goal of these competitions will be to display what you learned in the meetings. This is what one of the competitions look like, very big, but I hope that we can make it to the Georgia FBLA conference. And of course, having fun in this club. While learning new skills is important, even future business leaders of America need some fun. I hope to create an environment where it's like a family and everyone can have fun. It's going to be so much fun. Vote for MAYLA MERHAI for Vice President. Thank you for listening, and now that you've heard my speech, I hope you find me as a good candidate for Vice President. I want you to vote MAYLA MERHAI for Vice President. Thank you.